Welcome to the ShorTel Communicator versus Mitel Connect comparison video. In this video, we will discuss the differences between the ShorTel Communicator and the Mitel Connect Client. Here we are looking at a side-by-side comparison of the dashboard and the communicator window. The functionality is basically the same, but the view is a little bit different. Please note that on the dashboard, you can expand or minimize the view. The call handling mode in Communicator is now called the availability state in the Connect client. Do not disturb is now an option. The Contacts tab merged the phone and instant messaging availability by a round circle with the availability state and another green circle around that to show instant messaging availability. The Recent tab replaced the Call History tab. This will show the last 1,000 interactions. The Voicemail tab allows you to play, forward, reply, save, delete, and call back the person who left you the message. Please note, reply only works for internal callers. The Messages tab is new within the Connect client. This allows you to look at recent instant message conversations. The Events tab is new in the Connect client. It lets you view your upcoming meetings and schedule new meetings. The Workgroups tab will appear if you are part of a work group. This will allow you to log in, out, put yourself in wrap-up time, and access workgroup voicemail boxes. The Quick Dialer exists in both Communicator and the Connect client. Just click for a directory or start typing to narrow the search. The Current Call Indicator in Communicator shows all of your call options available in one window. The Current Call Indicator in Connect shows you your call on the side and the options in a different window. The Connect dropdown is the equivalent to the Applications button. Instead of choosing Options as you have done in the past, you must now choose Settings. To answer an incoming call, click on the green handset icon within the call cell. To place a call on hold, click the Pause button within the call cell or the Current Call Indicator tab. To retrieve a call from hold, select either of the two green handset icons. To transfer a call within the client, click on the transfer icon. Type the name of the person you would like to send the call to, and choose the type of transfer to release the call. A new feature within the Connect client is the ability to do a drag and drop blind transfer. Click on the call indicator box and drag to a contact. Either drop the call right away or hover and select blind transfer. To create a conference call, click on the Add Person icon. Type in the name or number of the contact you would like to add and choose the type of conference. Another new feature within the Connect client is the option to do a drag and drop blind conference. Click on the Current Call Indicator box and drag to a contact. Hover and select Blind Conference. If you click on your name next to your availability state, you will open your personal information page, which includes your primary extension assignment and conference bridge information. If you don't have a conference bridge and are interested in one, please contact your sales representative. To create a conference on your personal bridge, click on your name by the availability state. Find My Conference Bridge and click Copy. Then paste the information into a meeting event, email, or instant message and send to the recipients. Another way to schedule a conference is to click the Events tab and click the plus sign to add in information about the meeting. There are additional options below the agenda. The second picture shows those extra options. Once you are done, click Create Event. This will open in Outlook and send through email. Once the meeting is sent, it will show up in your Events tab. If the meeting is within the next few minutes, it will also show up in the dashboard. To join a conference call as the host, click on your name by the availability state. Click on the phone icon to join the audio conference or the computer icon to join the web conference. The most recent conversations are saved in the Messages tab. To send an instant message, single-click on a contact, type a message in the text box, and press Enter. To log into Workgroups in the Connect client, you must click the Workgroups tab, then click Log In. To see more options, click Show Workgroup Details. From here, you can check queues and workgroup voicemails. Customizable phone options are now located in Settings. To change call options, click on the Call Routing tab and click on Start Wizard. This will walk you through every option available for that availability state. Please be sure to use the wizard for all states, not just available. Congratulations! You now know some of the differences between the ShorTel Communicator and Mitel Connect Client. If you have any further questions, please contact your system administrator.